Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by Tea subscription unboxing for September. Comes with a product card that tells you your teas on the back, caffeine levels, all sorts of information. So I'll put that aside for now. The first one I'm pulling out, I've received a few from this company before. This is Kenyan Black tea with lemon myrtle. Sounds very interesting. There's 4 packs of those. Also have a little card about that company. Award-winning tea is hand-picked on small-scale farms in Kenya. That's pretty cool. And their profits go back to Kenya to pay for school fees for orphans. That's awesome. And next up, let's see, do we just have 2 of those? Yeah. This is Earl Grey. I don't know if that's Ceylon Black. Not sure if I pronounced that right. Looks pretty interesting. So that's loose leaf tea. And because there's loose leaf tea in here, they do include these reusable tea bags. Which are really nice. You just fill them up and pull the little drawstring. So that's really handy. This one looks fun. So another loose leaf tea. Let's see, white tea. I haven't had white tea in a really long time, so that's awesome. Cool. That's a pretty large amount of that. And then the last one is by TEAPIGS. This is a calming tea. It is organic, and there's 4 packets of that. Cool. So let's take a look at the card. This one's caffeine-free, high caffeine, and low caffeine. So I got a nice little mixture this month. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.